This is my homemade concentrator for black sand and all your heavies. Drop here. Put it in. Grabs your back. And the gold sand trapped up there. Throw the sand back in. Do it again. Make sure. It's an expensive little thing. Okay. There's all the little peckers. A little bit of sand left. Let it run for a while. All comes out. Yeah, it works pretty good, this thing.